Hi everyone, Chris Rappold here, and what I wanted to share with everybody is a touching story, I think, about giving. Like many of your schools and academies over the past 25 years, we've done everything that we can to be of service to our community. One of the hallmark events that we do every year is called the Turkey Brigade, where we deliver baskets of food to families in need. And you know, we do this out of the goodness of our heart because, you know, who among us isn't above a tragedy happening in our family or in our life where we might need a hand? So we really try to do it with the best of intentions. I've always operated from a premise that the person that gives usually gets more in return than the person that receives. And there was one story that I remember that, you know, always kind of rings true about that saying, and I think really illustrates it well. There was this grandmother and her grandson, and they were making a delivery to a neighborhood that they were unfamiliar with. The grandmother and the grandson walk up the door, they ring the doorbell, and the person comes to the door. It was a young lady, probably around 19, 20 years old, and opens the door and immediately starts welling up with tears. You know, the grandmother didn't quite understand what exactly was happening as a result of this, and she said, "What's the matter? What's the matter?" And the recipient said, "Do you know who I am?" And she said, "No." She said, "You're my grandmother." And here's the situation. There was an estrangement in the family, and the family was severed. The grandmother hadn't seen her granddaughter since she was like 2 years old. But because the recipient, the grandchild, had pictures of the grandmother, she knew exactly what she looked like. She immediately recognized the grandmother. That kind act of selflessly giving reunited this grandmother with her granddaughter. You take that story, and then, of course, they invited the grandmother and the grandson into the house. The grandmother goes to load, you know, the basket of food into the refrigerator, and the only thing that was in the refrigerator were ice cubes, an ice cube tray and some ice cubes. I mean, that's it. So not only did that person, through that wonderful selfless act of giving, you know, provide sustenance for them to have a nice Thanksgiving, but that one kind act brought two divided families together. And you know, that's just one small example. We don't do it for that reasons, but you just never know. And you know, I thought it was important enough to share that with you. Hope it touches you. I hope it encourages you to do probably what you're already doing, which is be of service to your community. Let's all work together to make our community stronger.